Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to make something special and super easy, homemade rose lip balm. To get started, you'll need 1 tablespoon each of beeswax pellets, shea butter, and coconut oil, along with 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil, 1 teaspoon of rose petal powder, and a few drops of rose essential oil. If you don't have rose petal powder on hand, don't worry, you can make it yourself. Simply take some dried rose petals and grind them into a fine powder using a coffee grinder or a mortar and pestle. Once you have your rose petal powder ready, we can move on to making the lip balm. Using a double boiler, gently melt the beeswax, shea butter, and coconut oil, stirring occasionally until fully melted. Once melted, remove from heat and mix in the sweet almond oil, rose essential oil, and rose petal powder until well combined. Carefully pour the mixture into lip balm containers or tins, and let them cool and solidify at room temperature or in the fridge for about 15 minutes. And there you have it, your very own homemade rose lip balm. It's perfect for keeping your lips soft, smooth, and hydrated, and it smells absolutely wonderful. You can make these as gifts for friends and family, or keep them all for yourself. And let me know in the comments if you tried making this lip balm. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and give me a thumbs up. This gives us even more courage to make better videos in the future. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself, take care of your family and people around you, and spread love. Goodbye.